भाई बस इतना बता दे कि कौन से क्रिप्टो करेंसी में इन्वेस्ट करने से मेरा पैसा जो है वो डबल हो जाए, नेक्स्ट ईयर तक डबल हो जाए। ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है यहाँ पे, ओवरनाइट मिरेकल की मैं एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं कर रहा हूँ। मुझे बस इतना बता दो कि कौन से क्रिप्टो करेंसी में इन्वेस्ट करने से मेरा जो पैसा है वो नेक्स्ट ईयर डबल हो जाए। मेनी पीपल आर आस्किंग मी दीज क्वेश्चंस, मेनी पीपल आर आस्किंग मी सेम थिंग, in which investment, in which cryptocurrency I should invest that my money will get doubled by next year. I am not expecting a one day miracle, a overnight miracle. I am not expecting. I am asking in which cryptocurrency I should invest so my money will get doubled by next year. So many people are asking me this question, they don't want to know the details. This video is for you guys. So welcome back to another video by that Indian crypto guy. Guys, in this video guys, I will be explaining, as you know, as I introduced myself in this video, I told what I'm gonna talk, and I will give you 4 legendary coins that will make you rich day by day without depleting in the value. And guys, these are the sure shot cryptocurrency you should must have. If you are investing into the cryptocurrency, you should have these 4 cryptocurrency into your portfolio. Guys, remember that before starting the video, remember that I am not a financial advisor. I only make these videos only and only for entertainment purposes. So guys, basically I am not responsible for the profits or losses that you make. So guys, let's go with our first coin, that is Bitcoin. Guys, a truth about Bitcoin is, guys, many people don't know what is cryptocurrency, but these people know what is Bitcoin. If I ask someone, I am invested into the cryptocurrency, they will say I don't know what is cryptocurrency. But if I say I invest in Bitcoin, they will say okay, that digital currency you are talking about. So this is the thing, that Bitcoin has a name, a Bitcoin has a powerful name, guys, and I am not asking to invest into this powerful name. Just by hearing its name, I am going to tell you a miraculous thing that many people know. Guys, Bitcoin has a limited stock. There will be only 21 million Bitcoins into this world. So basically the Bitcoin cryptocurrency is limited in amount. So as the demand grows, as the demand will grow, and as the people get introduced to this cryptocurrency world, digital world, this storage of, what we can say, the value of storage of Bitcoin will increase day by day. And absolutely after 4 years, every 4 years, the mining, what is meant by mining, I will explain in a different video. If you want a video on mining, how to do mining, I can explain that also, because we guys are mining Ethereum, and how and what the cost is of mining you can understand. If you want a separate video on it, we can just show our setup also, and we'll explain you what is Ethereum mining and how can you do, and what is the profit and what consumption of energy is done into the Ethereum. Right now we are talking about Bitcoin, and guys, as I told, and as I hear, every time I hear there are only 21 million Bitcoins into this world will be mined. So guys, I invest each time I hear this code. After the video, as I told you, I will go and buy again into the Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin stock is limited. And as you know, guys, demand grows, the quantity is the same, but as the demand for the product grows, and the shortage, because of the shortage of the product, the automatically the price will grow. So second coin is Ethereum, guys. Ethereum and Bitcoin, what is the difference between it? I will give a single liner, that is smart contract. Guys, Bitcoin is for storage of value. It is a storage of value, that means you can stake it and the price goes up. It is built only for it. Bitcoin has many, what we can say, many uses, but basic use is that stores for value. That means you can store it and the price will go higher and higher as you days passes, day by day it will increase automatically. But Ethereum was built into the concept of value smart contract, guys. What a smart contract? I will give a layman example from which you can understand easily, guys. Many of you might be knowing that we own a pomegranate farm. So guys, basically there is a simple thing, there is a simple example I will tell you, guys. When we want to send, we want to sell to the foreign countries, we basically the pomegranates are picked from Delhi or Bangalore, guys. So we have to send our trucks to Delhi or Bangalore, then the further processes happen. So basically, if I want to send my truck from Pune to Delhi, so there is a mediator, there is a broker which I have to contact, and if the broker and the buyer gets into terms and deals, then the person who is owning the pomegranate farm gets affected, because if they manipulate those things, if they can also manipulate the market. So the affected person is the farmer and the person who is dealing in the, what we can say, base city, you can say Pune. So guys, the basic thing is, if I am giving a layman example, it doesn't actually happen, but to learn the concept of Ethereum, how it works, I will be giving this example. So if I am using Ethereum blockchain to send my pomegranates to Delhi, there will be a thing, there will be no mediator, I won't require any third mediator to complete the deal. So guys, basically what will happen, I will send my truck locked with an Ethereum code, and then when it reaches the, what we can say, Delhi market, when it reaches Delhi market, the machine installed, you can say Ethereum installed scanner is put at Delhi market. The machine will scan automatically the quantity and quality, that it will assess the quality and quantity of pomegranates, and guys, as per the quality and quantity of pomegranates, it will release me the payment as per assessing the pomegranate quality I am asking, guys. So it is the simple thing, there will be no influence, there will be no third person manipulating the market, and it will be a smart contract, you can say. I can give a second example. You can say you have rented a room, you are living into a rent room, and guys, on the 30th of what we can say, last date of this month, if you don't pay the payment, it will automatically, when you go out, guys, go out of the house, it will automatically lock, the door will automatically lock, even if you enter the correct code, it won't open. When you settle the, what we can say, when you settle the payment, it will automatically give you access again. So this is what a smart contract is, guys. There will be no influence, what we can say, you can't manipulate that door, you can't even break into that house. There is a security level, the security level is good, but guys, as you know, there is a triage there, what we can say, there are the three things that you must know, that is security, scalability, and decentralization. If what we can say, if a coin works on certain two things, there will be a compromise for the third thing. So here what happens in Ethereum blockchain, guys, they have worked into decentralization and also worked into security. So guys, security and decentralization is very strong. The third factor comes into action, scalability. The speed of Ethereum is lower, and as you know, guys, Ethereum is launching Ethereum first phase of 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 has been launched last December 1st, I guess, December 1st last year, 2020. It has launched the Ethereum 2.0 first phase I am talking about, and the second phase will be launched, and it will be, what we can say, you can use the Ethereum 2.0 blockchain properly from the 2022, guys. It will be completed into 2022. So guys, till then, guys, as you know, as I told, they have concentrated on the two factors, that is decentralization and security. So there is a compromise for the speed. The speed is lowered, guys. So the Ethereum gas fees are very, very high. compared to the other blockchains. And as you know, this was given by Vitalik himself. He gave this concept himself. So there is a compromise for now. For the speed of Ethereum, the speed of transactions are low, and as the speed of transactions are low, guys, you know, the fees, what we can say, the transaction fees on Ethereum blockchains are much higher. So guys, it was clear. So Ethereum, after launching Ethereum 2.0, the, what we can say, the price will get skyrocketed. So it is very important that you buy Ethereum at an initial phase. Guys, remember that I am not a financial advisor. I make these videos only and only for information purposes. So guys, 2.0 is waiting into 2022. Till now, what we can say, the price right now is lower than 2022, you can guess it. And after the 2.0 launch, the price will obviously get skyrocketed. So here is the chance to invest, here is the chance to get in. So guys, let's talk about the third cryptocurrency, that is Polygon Matic. So in Polygon Matic, it is just a solution for the Ethereum blockchain, you can say. And as you know guys, as I told about the trilemma, that is the three corners of the triangle, that is decentralization, scalability, and the third is security. If you concentrate on all the three factors, it is impossible to build a blockchain. So there will be a weaker side, there will be always the weak corner. So guys, to solve this problem, guys, Polygon Matic, the Indian creators, Indian based people, these people came into action and built a 2-layer onto the Ethereum blockchain, guys, and build a new Matic cryptocurrency, guys. This cryptocurrency, this blockchain has given a perfect solution right now for the Ethereum. So guys, basically it is just a additional 2-layer for the Ethereum blockchain. So guys, first layer is Ethereum itself, second layer is of Ethereum securities, third layer is of Polygon Matic network, and fourth layer is execution. If you want to build an NFT, the NFTs don't need that much of security, they need more scalability. So guys, they will breach the security level and just concentrate, they can just go into the basic security, they don't need that higher security. So they won't demand for the Ethereum main blockchain, they will demand for security second level, and the third and fourth is compulsory. And if you want to build a gaming blockchain or gaming purpose, if you want to do an application, guys, there will be only need of the two basic layers, that is, first will be execution, second will be Polygon network. As you know guys, the speed has increased by these two layers only, so gaming won't require that much huge security. So guys, you must be knowing Ethereum 2.0 is launching, and Ethereum 2.0 concentrate on all the three corners of the triangle. So guys, you should invest before launching of Ethereum 2.0 directly, guys. Before 2022, I suggest you should get into Ethereum, as Polygon is high speed and Polygon will provide solutions and will further plannings, and they will also do further planning. So right now you can go and also invest into the Matic. Matic is also good solutionary cryptocurrency, you can say, you can invest in. So guys, let's get back. So guys, we'll talk about the fourth cryptocurrency, that is Solana. And guys, talking about Solana, it is a perfect solution right now. And guys, as you know, in 2021 it got launched at $1.7, and guys, it actually skyrocketed to 200 rupees, $200 I am talking about. And guys, it is a massive pump, and it has done a massive change into the cryptocurrency world. And right now guys, I will show what I mean by that. The fees of transactions are lightly done, and the thing that I posted in the WhatsApp, the thing is that Ethereum takes 14 seconds, sorry, 15 seconds Bitcoin takes, Ethereum takes 14 to 30 seconds to do a transaction, to add a new block, to validate the transaction, you can say. And while Solana takes only 0.4 seconds into the adding the new block and validating a transaction. So as the network is fast, the speed is fast, the fees of the transaction has been lowered, and as you know guys, there is always a breach into a corner of a triangle. As you know, the Solana has got the speed of transactions, it has what we can say, it has to compromise into the two corners, that is security and decentralization. It has to compromise into these corners. But right now Solana is adding up into the metaverse world. Many metaverse coin, many metaverse tokens are being built, are being introduced into Solana blockchain. And guys, right now it is a perfect, what we can say, perfect entry you can take into the Solana. And Solana, you can just go and keep on staking Solanas. I don't mean that it will what we can say, it will give again a skyrockets, but guys, it will obviously do a further, what we can say, further updates you can do, and it will keep on developing, because guys, the metaverse world is developing and Solana is getting into action. Many tokens are being built, and guys, you can actually visit virtual concert of David Guetta. So on the cryptocurrency, on the, sorry, what we can say, token, the virtual gaming, the virtual reality is becoming reality, you can say. And many people are hosting concerts, and many tokens are built, or many tokens are introduced onto the Solana blockchain. And right now guys, I am giving you data. 65,000 transactions are done per seconds into the Solana, and guys, Ethereum takes only 15 transactions per second, Binance Smart Chain does 100, Polkadot does 1000, and Cardano does 270, Tron does 1000 guys. Tron is also good thing guys, Tron, but the thing about Tron is very different guys. I will let you know what is happening to Tron, why the Tron is not that effective, not that, what we can say, adapted. So guys, basically Solana has a perfect solution. Average fee per transaction is guys $0.15 guys, $0.15, while Ethereum takes around $15. I am talking about $100 transaction I'm talking about, and you can see $20 you can take around. If you want to send around $20, Ethereum consumes $15 guys. This is very very high fees. Binance Smart Chain takes 0.01 tax it takes, and Polkadot takes $1. In Tron guys, it is basically free only. So many people, even I do the transaction by Tron blockchain. Tron blockchain offers you very speedy and what we can say, free transaction, accurately free. You can say if you want to send 1000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, it will charge just 20 rupees, max 20 rupees they will charge. So Tron blockchain many people are using, even I am using it. So guys, basically we are talking about Solana right now, and Solana is offering 0.015 transactions, and you can say latency, transaction latency is 0.4 seconds, just 0.4 seconds. And guys, Ethereum takes over approx they have given 5 minutes, approx 5 minutes. Binance Smart Chain takes 75 seconds, Polkadot takes 2 minutes, Cardano takes 10 minutes, and Tron takes 3 seconds. So obviously the Solana has got the speed, but as you know guys, as you know the trilemma, there will be compensation at the other two sides. So basic thing guys, Solana has got the speed, but it has compromise the other parts, that is security and decentralization. It has to compromise it in. So guys, I basically gave you 4 coins because the video is obviously long, but guys, remember that these 4 cryptocurrency are going to be the future and are going to be skyrocketing. Not that it won't make you, what we can say, these cryptocurrencies are valued, they won't make you overnight rich, but these cryptocurrencies are trustworthy and you can think of investing in it. I am not a financial advisor. Thanks for joining this video. Thanks for being into our space. Remember the name, that Indian crypto guy. Remember the brand. Thanks.